Hello everyone. In today's video, we will discuss how to add custom fonts on Google Doc. Let's start the video. First, open your Google Doc. Here you can see extensions option. Click on extensions. Click on add-ons. Click on get add-ons. Now search for extensive fonts. Extensive fonts. You can see here. Just click on install. Select your Google account. Continue. Allow. Let the installation be done. Close this pop-up. Close this extension. Now how you can add this? Go on extension. You can see here extensive fonts. Click on start. You can see here on my right side. You can see here different fonts are here. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.